Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use multiplication in Microsoft Excel. So simple and easy way. For example, you want to multiply 5 with 5. So type this formula equal, select this cell. Now shift and 8 number key on your keyboard. Now select this key. Now press enter. So using the asterisk you can multiply. Select first number. So without equal you not able, so equal and select it. Shift and 8 number key on your keyboard to write this symbol. Shift plus 8. Now select it and press enter. And you can drag and drop like this formula. So what happen if you enter any number? So it will automatically apply this formula like this. So thanks for watching.